Good evening, everybody. Fairly straightforward problem tonight. We should be done pretty quick here. X equals 1 is certainly a solution to this in a trivial sort of fashion. 1 squared is 1, and then the square root of 1 raised to an integer has got to be 1, right? So x equals 1 is a solution. And also an important fact here is the square root of x raised to the 4th power is certainly equal to x squared. Right, and guys, if you're not comfortable with the radical notation, remember you can think of the square root of x same as x to the 1/2. And that's really kind of hard for a lot of people to get used to because there's an understood index of 2 here, and of course an understood exponent of 1 right there. All right, so let's get busy solving this problem. This observation is quite important right here. We already have one of the answers, which is the trivial 1. Now, based on this definition of ceiling here, this would say that 3 would have to be less than the cubed roots of x less than or equal to 4. Okay. See, if you just take a look at this definition of the ceiling, this is precisely what it says, except we're letting this part just be C right here, okay? Or this part would be C, but you can see where the 3 and the 4 comes from, right? Okay, so the cube root of x would have to be bound between 3 exclusive and 4 inclusive, right? But we can solve this problem pretty quickly when we just notice that if you raise everything, if you cube everything inside, you have 3 cubed is less than x is less than or equal to 4 cubed. So we get the non-trivial part of this, which is 27 is less than x is less than or equal to 64. Okay, so y'all, what we could do here, we've already noted that 1 was the solution. So another way to write this, if you want to write it a little more tersely, you can write 1 or x is a member of the open 27, closed 64 interval. Okay, so y'all, this is the answer I got. That 1, the single, just 1, or this value right here, or this range of numbers, not including 27. Okay. Now, some people would want to say that 0 is part of this, but you would have to believe that 0 raised to the 0 power is equal to 1, and I'm never going to buy into that camp. Some people believe there's a real good reason for that, but 0 raised to the 0 equals 1 is undefined, because if you look at the definition of exponent of the various properties of exponents, you would be dividing by 0. Okay, you would be dividing by 0 if you allowed for 0 raised to the 0 equal to 1. All right, so anyway, this is the solution set. I got 1, and x is between 27 and 64.